In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google open continuously and make your browsing experience seamless and efficient. Many of us have been in a situation where we've accidentally closed a browser window or had to restart Chrome and wished our tabs could magically reappear. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Chrome so that you never lose your open tabs again. Let's get started by opening up your Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three vertical dots. This is your gateway to customizing and controlling your Google Chrome settings. By clicking on those three dots, you will open up a menu filled with different options for you to explore. Go ahead and scroll down a little until you find the option labeled Settings. Click on that and you'll be directed to a new page where you can adjust a myriad of aspects of Google Chrome to fit your preferences. Within this menu, pay close attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find a variety of categories that pertain to your browser settings. From the sidebar, look for the option that says On Startup. By clicking on this, you're given options related to how Chrome behaves when you open it. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see three distinct choices: open the new tab page, continue where you left off, or open a specific set of pages. For our purposes today, select continue where you left off. This ensures that every time you close and subsequently reopen Chrome, all your previously opened tabs and windows will be restored just as you left them. Once you've made that selection, you're all set. From now on, even if you have to close your browser or your system shuts down unexpectedly, your tabs will be ready and waiting for you when you return. Now, let's delve into an additional tip. Open a new tab by clicking on the small plus icon next to your current tabs. This new tab can act as a reset point when managing multiple tabs. For instance, if you right click on this new tab, a drop down menu will appear. From here, select Close Other Tabs. This option is really handy when you want to focus on a particular task and need to declutter your workspace by keeping only the essential tab open. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for uninterrupted browsing. You now have the tools to ensure your work and leisure sessions on Chrome are as seamless as possible. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and keep browsing efficiently.